Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was telling you that additional Bitcoins have been transferred to the different exchanges for more sell-off, and now there is a probability that after this sell-off, the price and may test the support of the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart once again. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that more sell-off has been triggered, and now the price line has dropped at the support of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you a throwback move that is flashed on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared almost 4 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, a bad move that Bitcoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 1st of June 2023 with my members. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line again dropped down, completed the leg. And after the completion of this final leg of the bad move, reached the sell target zone here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that was also formed, I think, on a 4-hour time frame chart. Within few moments, when this a chart will be loaded, then you will be able to watch this move. Yes, it was formed, by the way, not on the 4-hour, on a 2-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal move and reached the sell target zone of this Gartley pattern that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley move for my members. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is a weekly time frame chart. First, let me to show you this weekly time frame. And here we can see that we already have a very, very huge development on this weekly time frame chart, because we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this was from this low to this high, almost even more than 100% rally. And right now, the critical thing over here on this weekly time frame chart is that we are breaking down this red line. That is the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart. We're testing a very, very long-term support of $25,000 as well. And at the same time, while we are testing the support, the price line of Bitcoin is also testing the support of this down channel on the daily time frame chart. Now we are switched to the daily time frame chart from the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is so far for the past several days, it is not able to break out this red line. There is a daily EMA 21. It is very important for Bitcoin to break out this daily EMA 21, and after that, it can break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. This is, by the way, the daily 200 simple moving average, and you can see that this is aggressively moving up, and soon it can also provide a nice support to the price line. Right now, you can see that the price line is testing a very long-term support of $25,000, and it is also a breakout point for the previous inverse head and shoulder pattern. If I zoom this chart out, then you can see that here we have the formation of an inverse head and shoulder. Here we had the left shoulder. This was the left shoulder, by the way. And here we had the formation of the head. And this is the formation of the right shoulder. And this was the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern at $25,000. And right now, the price line is testing the breakout point of this previous inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see that we had several rejections here and several rejections here as well. And finally, we broke it out here. And now the price line is dropped down at the same breakout point of $25,000. That is a throwback move. And during this throwback move, it is possible that the price line may start a massive reversal move from here. And again, it can hit, not again, because so far it did not hit the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern after the breakout. So it can hit the target for that inverse head and shoulder pattern. By the way, the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be quite big, because this is the head, this is the neckline. And if I place it at the breakout point, then the target can be approximately here. If I place it here at the breakout point, that is approximately at $34,300. And if we would like to check or verify that how perfectly this throwback move can play, then we can verify it through the buying volume. When we were breaking out this resistance, this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then you can see we had a nice, powerful buying volume. And this can be another chance that the people who could not buy Bitcoin here while breaking out this neckline, then while testing this previous resistance as a support, this can be another chance to buy Bitcoin at this support of $25,000 and the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. However, sometimes it happens that during the throwback move, the price in Canada can have a long spike or it can move slightly more down than the support. Then we can give a margin up to this 200 daily simple moving average that is aggressively moving up. Right now, it is moving at $23,700, and I'm expecting that soon it will be moved more up to provide a nice support to the price line. If it will be broken down, then it will be really very difficult for Bitcoin to recover back. However, the target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the bed that is approximately at $31,000. And the target for the throwback move is approximately at $34,300. And by the way, the final target for this huge breakout that has already happened on this weekly time frame chart from this very, very big falling wedge pattern. Now we are turning back to the weekly time frame. And here we can see that the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $70,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.